Hey guys, Krystal here. So I just wanted to make a quick video to show you 4 free ways to get leads, because that's the question everybody always has. How do I get leads? Where do I go to get leads? There's free ways and there's paid ways. I'm just going to show you the free ways right now, and this is just a couple. So first, cheapeasyads.com. And this is just a website you can go and just put a link in and put a little description in there and people will see it. So let me just click here and we can do one live real quick. And I am including this in the email that I'm sending right now. So you should be able to just click on here and click the link and it should take you straight there. So let me move this over a little bit. This is it, cheapeasyads.com. And see how it says submit a free ad. So you can put your link in here, you can put a short title, and then you can put a little description there. Then you can go ahead and submit. Now, I'll just do a quick one real quick so we can see how it works. I'll grab this one. Let's see here. Let's go ahead and paste it in. Category, let's see. I'm going to put business opportunity. You can put just a little title in there. I'm going to put the $7 asset anyone can afford because that link takes me to Lead Lightning. Description, let's see, looking for a way to market link. Uh-oh. If I can type. Just something quick like that. And then you can put your name. Email address. And if you want to make it stand out, add some color, add emojis. You can add anything in here. It costs extra, of course, but I usually just do the free way. And see how it says total 0. So it's going to cost me nothing. And you know how it had the submit button here, but actually once you enter everything in, the submit button moves to the bottom of the page. So it's going to make me scroll through all of these other ads to get all the way to the bottom to click submit. And that's kind of how it gets eyes on your ad. So it makes anybody who puts an ad in here click all the way to the bottom to submit their own ad. Submit ad. Uh-oh, CAPTCHA 9262. Am I looking at that right? 99262. Okay. It's not working for me right now for some reason. 9262. Okay. I don't know why it's not working because I do this all the time, but maybe it's because I have an ad already in here. Sometimes when you have an ad in here, it won't let you post another one until your ad is bumped all the way off. But normally it gives me a message that says that. But could be having technical difficulties right now. I don't know. But anyway, I just wanted to kind of show you how that works. So that's how easy it is. You just put in your link, pick a category, put in a little title and a little description, a little bit of information, and that's it. Scroll all the way down and submit your ad, and you can see like a little um, preview of what your ad will look like. So this is exactly what your ad would look like. Let me move this over a little. Once you submit it, so you can see how much text will show in the description, what it looks like. The Learn More, click here button will show up right there, and you can kind of see how your title looks, and that's it. And then when they click here, it's going to take them to the link, whatever link you put in. So that's it for that one. Let's head back over to here. And the next one is going to be YouTube videos. So YouTube videos is kind of a given, but it is free marketing. It's a free tool. You can just shoot a quick YouTube video using your phone or your tablet or your computer or whatever you want to do. So shoot a quick video of maybe you're excited about whatever the system is, whether it's lead lightning, power lead system. You can share your excitement. If you don't have any income proof yet, you can just go on there, share how excited you are that you just joined this new program. Put the link below in the description, and that's it. And then people will see the video and click on it. Make sure that you always title it appropriately to show up in people's search. So just think about what they would be searching for whatever video or whatever you're trying to promote, like lead lightning. Make sure that lead lightning is in the title, or power lead system is in the title of the YouTube video. And also always be sure to include a CTA in videos. Call to action if you don't know what a CTA is, but most people who are in marketing know what CTA is. But a call to action is anything like, hey guys, click the link below. Hey guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Anything like that would be a CTA. So make sure you put in what you want them to do after they watch the video. And then, like I said, you can put the link in the description so they can just click straight on the link. And then you can go ahead and share your video on social media, whatever platforms you have. So if I go over to YouTube right now, there is a share video. This is actually a Hangout that's going on right as we speak. But there is a share video right here. You can always click the share button, share to Facebook, Twitter, whatever you have. Even if you scroll over, there's Pinterest, LinkedIn. You can just send an email. You can just go down here and just copy the link and just put that link anywhere you want. And you can share it that way and get more eyes on your YouTube video. So that's another way. Number 3, I have join Facebook groups and share the free lead system. Now, if you're on my email list, you already have the free lead system. If you haven't been to your back office yet, you should have login details in your email. If you do a search, if you can't find it, check your spam, but it should be in there somewhere. And you can go ahead and join some business-related business opportunity groups on Facebook and share the free lead system. So what you're going to do with the free lead system is once you share it, people will opt in, and then you got leads that way. And even if you're trying to promote another opportunity, even if it's not the free lead system, lead lightning, or power lead system, if you're trying to promote another opportunity, once you give them the free lead system, there you have your leads. Once they're opted in, you already have your leads. So then you can go ahead and share whatever other systems you're trying to share, because that's your email list right there. You already have access to this. So this is the exact wording that you should post in these groups. This is what has worked for me. I've tried other wordings and it just doesn't work the same. I just learned how to promote any link without paid ads, comment for free system. Do not put the link straight into the post. Make people leave a comment. So this is actually a post that I did. And look, that's the exact wording that I put. I got all of these comments, and the reason you make them comment instead of posting the link directly is every time somebody comments, then it moves your post up higher in the rankings on Facebook. So using the Facebook algorithms, however that works, it'll rank higher on whatever group you're posting it in, and more people will see it. So the more people that comment, the more people will see it. So that's why you want to tell them to leave a comment and not post the link directly. So that's another way. And with the free lead system, if you upgrade to Lead Lightning, at least Lead Lightning, that's $7 one time, you can get $6 commissions. And then once you tell them to opt into the free lead system, it automatically takes them to a splash page where they can see Lead Lightning. So if you have the $7 system of Lead Lightning and they just happen to buy Lead Lightning on the inside, even though you're just promoting the free system, then there, you just got a $6 commission. If you don't have Lead Lightning and they buy it, then that $6 commission would go straight to me. So you want to get Lead Lightning if you're promoting the free lead system, at least Lead Lightning, which is $7 one time. You get $6 commissions over and over. So, highly recommended. Or not, or just stick with the free lead system and just, do it that way. But let's see, where am I? Number 4, 100 free classifieds. It wouldn't let me post it right there, so you kind of have to scroll down. But if you scroll down all the way, it's going to be all the way down, and it goes all the way to 100. But these are some other ways, and if you click on it, it takes you straight there if you click on the link. So all of these should have links. If you click on them, yeah, so they all have links and it'll take you straight there. Like if you click on epage.com, it'll take you to ePage, and right here, see, it says post a free ad. You just click on that, post a free ad, and all of them have, if you look, they're usually at the top. It'll say post a free ad somewhere at the top. So just look towards the top of whatever site you go to. And some of these sites, if they don't work, it could be because this is kind of an older list. So maybe some of them maybe went away or whatever, but most of them should work. And I was going to scroll down to have you see all 100, but I'm not going to do that right now. But there you go. So 4 ways to get leads for Lead Lightning or Power Lead System. So there you go. I just wanted to come on here and show a quick little video on how to get started. So any questions, shoot me an email, but I'll see you on the inside. Take care. Bye.